Organizers Overview. Organizers streamline the onboarding process, allowing you to quickly gather all required client information. Organizers function as client intake forms or questionnaires. They are fully customizable and user-friendly, making it easy for clients to complete them. Clients can even fill out organizers on their smartphones using the mobile app. To use organizers effectively, you can create a template for each use case or download and customize one from the marketplace. Once a template is selected, you can send it to your client, who will receive notifications via email, the mobile app, and their portal. Pending organizers always appear at the top of their list with a clear prompt for action. If you'd like to see how the client portal works from their perspective, you can access a read-only version. Once the client submits the organizer, you'll receive a notification, allowing you to start working with the provided information. All organizers can be accessed through the Organizers page in the sidebar menu. Organizers are more than just forms. They enhance efficiency in multiple ways. You can request documents directly through them, allowing clients to scan and upload files using their smartphones. Conditional questions can be enabled to streamline the process. Returning clients can save time by pre-filling certain details from previous responses. You also have the option to fill out forms on your client's behalf, which is especially useful during in-person visits. Additionally, manual data processing can be reduced by automating workflows, such as assigning account tags based on responses or syncing answers to account or contact custom fields. To ensure proper access, the Manage Organizers permission should be enabled for firm owners, admins, and relevant team members. This allows them to access all data used within organizers, including documents, regardless of other access settings. If a team member needs to modify or add responses on behalf of a client, they must be granted the Edit Organizer Answers permission. That's your overview of organizers.